वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी जो वैकेंसीज आ चुकी है दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में, उसके रिगार्डिंग मैं कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। जैसे कि आप ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ आपको टिप्स जो आपको आने वाले एग्ज़ाम के लिए यूज़ होंगी। जैसे आपके कोई भी नाउन है या नाउन में क्या आ गया, जैसे प्लेस का नाम, कोई भी नेम है, या कोई भी आपका जैसे फर्नीचर या कुछ भी नाउन है, आप समझते हो, तो वो आपके कैपिटल आएंगे। जैसे आप कोई भी बैंक हो गया, बैंक के नेम कैपिटल आएंगे। आर्टिकल हो गया, आर्टिकल जो वर्ड है उसको भी कैपिटल के यूज़ के लिए यूज़ करेंगे हम। और जो आपका जैसे आर्टिकल 19 हो गया, विद इन ब्रैकेट 2 हो गया आर्टिकल, ये आपका जो आर्टिकल होगा आपका कैपिटल लेटर में आएगा, फर्स्ट लेटर ए का कैपिटल लेटर। और जैसे आप लोगों को बताइए, गवर्नमेंट आपका कैपिटल में ही आता है और फुल स्टॉप के बाद हमेशा कैपिटल में ही आता है। आप इस थोड़ी सी सेंस लगाने की कोशिश करें। बिल्कुल, मैं हर रोज़ आपको डिक्टेशन से पहले 1-2 पॉइंट बताता रहूँगा जो आपकी ट्रांसलेशन को काफ़ी अच्छा करेगा। और जो आपके शॉर्ट एंड में स्पीड नहीं बन रही है तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं, मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको अच्छे से अच्छे गाइडलाइन देने की कोशिश करूँगा। हमारा जो इंस्टीट्यूट है दिल्ली में 35 ईयर से है, पानीपत में हरियाणा में हमारा कम से कम 10 साल हो गए हैं हमें यहाँ पे टीचिंग करते हुए। इसमें जो स्टूडेंट है, स्टूडेंट काफ़ी काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट निकलता है हमारा। एक बार जो बच्चा हमसे शॉर्ट एंड सीख लेगा, हमारे अकॉर्डिंग चलेगा शॉर्ट एंड के लिए, तो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी आपकी मिलेगी और आपको गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलेगी अगर आप कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो। इसी की सर शुरुआत करते हैं हम। 840 वर्ड्स @100 से लेकर आपका 120 तक की स्पीड जाएगी। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। In Om Kumar and others versus Union of India, this court observed that the principle of proportionality was being applied to legislative action in India since 1950. Any challenge to restrictions imposed by the government under Article 19 within bracket 2 to 19 within bracket 6 are tested by courts on the principle of proportionality. Whether restrictions placed are reasonable or not is adjudicated on the basis of appropriate balance between rights granted and the control permissible under Article 19 within bracket 2 to 19 within bracket 6. When legislation is challenged on the ground that restrictions placed on the fundamental right is disproportionate, the court conducts a primary review where the state has to justify the necessity of restricting the fundamental rights. Proportionality involves balancing test and necessity test. The balancing test relates to scrutiny of excessive onerous penalties or infringement of rights or interest and a manifest imbalance of relevant considerations, whereas the necessity test requires infringement of human rights in question to be by the least restrictive alternative. According to legal experts, proportionality in the broad sense is based on two principal components. The first is legality, which requires that the limitation be prescribed by law. The second is legitimacy, which is fulfilled by compliance with the requirements of proportionality in the regular sense. Its concern is with the conditions that justify the limitation of a constitutional right by a law. There are two main justificatory conditions: an appropriate goal and proportionate means. An appropriate goal is a threshold requirement, and in determining it, no consideration is given to the means utilized by the law of attaining the goal. A goal is appropriate even if the means of attaining it is of or not. The proportionate means must comply with three secondary criteria within bracket a rational connection between the appropriate goal and the means utilized by the law to attain it within bracket b. The goal cannot be achieved by means that are less restrictive of the constitutional right within bracket c. There must be a proportionate balance between the social benefit of realizing the appropriate goal and the harm caused to the right. The three tests of proportionality propounded by Dixon in R versus Oakes are within bracket A. The measures adopted must be rationally connected to the objective within bracket B. The means should impair as little as possible the right or freedom in question, full stop. There must be a proportionality between the effects of the measures and the objective. K. Srikri, Justice in Modern Dental College and Research Center and others versus State of Madhya Pradesh, remarked that our doctrine of proportionality is enshrined in Article 19 itself. He explained that our explanations restrictions seek to strike a balance between the freedom guaranteed in article within bracket 9 and social control permitted by article 19 within bracket 2 to 19 within bracket 6. It was further held in Modern Dental College and Research Center and others versus State of Madhya Pradesh that limitations imposed on the enjoyment of a right guaranteed under the Constitution should not be arbitrary or excessive to what is required in the interest of public. It is also relevant to refer to the following factors which have to be kept in mind for examining the reasonableness of a statutory provision as laid down in MRF Limited versus Inspector Kerala Government. The basis of various decisions of this court, the following principles are clearly discernible. While considering the reasonableness of the restrictions, the court has to keep in mind the directive principle of state policy, full stop. Restrictions must not be arbitrary or of an excessive nature so as to go beyond the requirement of the interest of the general public, full stop.